Look at all that stuff. I'm him.
Hello.
Mark, say hi.
Hi, Craig.
Neil's hiding.
Hi.
So we're basically stripping down. This is a spare one you see. It's been pulled apart, ready for doing all the machine work to it. So at the moment, the clever person, Mark, is... is it a bad thing when Mark's a clever person? I don't know. So we're just getting it all packaged together to get ready to be sent away to the machine shop. So we'll just take you through some of the stuff we're going to do, and hopefully some of you find this interesting. Otherwise, you should probably turn off now. So wrapped up, ready to go. We're going to go now get the block is going to be skimmed just to make sure both surfaces are nice. I think it's a 90 degree. We've had to find a place. It wasn't many places that would do that. Who was it in the end that we
Gem Engines in Falkirk.
Gem Engines in Falkirk that are going to, they've got they hope they can do that. So fingers crossed they can. Just look at that. This is one of the reasons the 1UZ is mega strong. 6 bolts holding down the main cap, 4 in the top, and then 2 that come in from the side. So it's because this was designed as a race engine, this has been mega over-engineered, but I think in the end it wasn't used as a race engine. They did it, and then something changed in the formula, and it became a lazy V8 that stuck in the LS400. It's like magic.
My name is Mark Daniels.
So what we're doing is, the engine, these are the lifters. So instead of hydraulic lifters, these are shimmed. So we need to keep all of these in the same order. Mark's got his thing. Oh, sorry, putting my fingers in the way. So we know, and then we need to clean these, and these all need to go back in the same way. Otherwise, it's going to be a total ball ache.
Clearancing everything from scratch.
Because somebody's already done it all, so why try and do the work again? So this gives us a
base.
Yeah.
You'll see all these heads come as well. One's added one way, one's pointed the other way. So this one goes that way, the other ones, the camshafts are the same, so that you can't mix anything up.
Look, arrow towards the front of the head. Is that to the front?
Yep, another head goes to the back way.
Okay.
So you get one, everything corresponds to the way it goes. Thanks, Craig.
What have I created?
Just lots of extra time and love and attention and garage hours.
Or what he actually said was a futury pain in the dick. So, because we were saying before that, like, we're keeping these all in order, we wouldn't need to change as much, but I've got different springs. So
Heavy duty valve springs.
These are the shims. Now what we're going to end up having to do is put it all together and then measure the tolerances to see if all these shims are the right, so they just kind of pop out. But then we're going to need to replace these to get the right clearances. So yeah, footery pain in the dick. Mark's just trying to fish out valve stem oil seals, and the definition of them was the rubber is harder than a man down the Viagra clinic. Oil pump being dismantled. Is that old? Is that old or is that a new one?
That's a new one.
The new one, like I have by new one, it was like 100 miles. Not very, very new, but not quite new. Oh. Just like my girlfriend. Just like my girlfriend. Fiona, I'm sorry about that. Oh my god. Clean, these are coming up. Stripped, ready to go to the machine shop. You can see there is a difference between them. Okay, there's just a bit more burnishing in this one than there is in that one. And they're both from the same engine. It's kind of like, I don't know, is that one running hotter or than that one? But yeah, making good progress here. Neil's just taking off rings. These are the little, what are they calling these?
That holds a gudgeon pin in.
So these are holding the gudgeon pin, so they're in there. We're just taking a pick, taking these out. And everything's marked up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we know what goes to what. All split, all checked. This has to hold 80 brake. Each one. So one of the things that we're doing here, so that this is all done by the guys at who are on YouTube called Turbo Shed. Now what they're doing, we're lowering the compression ratio on the whole engine by much thicker gasket and taking 0.65 mil off there. So that is going to take it. The maths, we haven't done the maths. The guys at Turbo Shed, they had an LS400 700 brake, completely standard internals, and they were down. They did all the maths, and this will turn us to, is it 8.5 to 1? Yeah, 8.5 to 1. So that's like a great, the magic number for like turbo compression. So that's the plan. So we reckon we worked out why the 1UZ was sold as a perfectly working example. Look at the water pump. So that 1UZ probably cooked itself. Woo! It's got a jive on.
That's not just happened today.
No. You can even see, look at the fins. Look how much they've ground down. This will show you, look how much clean. Look at that. Ultrasonic cleaner for the win. Right, next video is going to be piecing it back together. We've got a bunch of ARP stuff and a few other little sort of trick bits to keep it a bit, just to replace some of the hardware that was in there. But yeah, thanks for watching, and we'll see you the next video. Hopefully we'll piecing it back together with everything machined up. So yeah, bye bye.
What we do here is go back.